welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new here, you are welcome to share reactions. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this beautiful hair for my clients. Okay, just want you guys to sit back, relax and watch the video. I really appreciate every one of you, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for the support. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe before the end of the video. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Relax, sit back and enjoy the video. Thank you. After braiding the hair, I went ahead and used a rope to coil the end of the hair. Then I'm going to dip it inside a very hot water. And please guys, when you are using a hot water, please make sure to be very careful so that you will not burn yourself. Thank you. I went ahead and used a styling mousse to rub the hair so that it will give you a shine. After rubbing it, I used a blow dryer to dry it up, and that's it guys. And the hair came out beautiful. I love it and she loved it also. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe it before the end of the video. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate every one of you. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate. Bye bye. Stay safe and stay blessed. Love you guys.